An object is in circular motion. The radius of its motion is 2 meters and its velocity is 20 meters per second. What is its period? So once again, we have an object moving around in a circular path, and we want to equate the velocity with the circumference of the circle and the total time it takes to travel around. So as we have done before, we know that the equation for the velocity of our object is equal to 2 pi r divided by the period. This is because 2 pi r is the value for the circumference of the circle, and the period is the total time it takes to make one revolution. So if we divide the total distance that we traveled in that time of the period, we would be able to find our velocity. Now, the question is asking us to solve for the period. So we have to do some algebra, switch this around, and get it in terms of t. So if we multiply both sides by t, we would wind up with 2 pi r is equal to the velocity times the period. If we now divide both sides by the velocity, we would see that our period is equal to 2 pi r divided by v. Now we know that the radius of our motion is 2 meters and we're traveling with a velocity of 20 meters per second. So all we have to do now is plug in our values to solve for the period of our motion. So 2 pi times r, which is 2 meters, divided by a velocity of 20 meters per second, will give us 4 pi divided by 20 meters per second. Now if we carry out this division, we would get a value of approximately 0.63 seconds. Now that corresponds to answer choice B, 0.63 seconds.